गर्ल्स, अहमदाबाद में परफेक्ट पीजी ढूंढ रहे हो? Then this is for you. Hostel life usually means slow Wi-Fi, small rooms and bad food. But not anymore. AC rooms, floor mattress comfort, individual cupboards with lockers and fingerprint safety locks. Homemade food available daily, kitchen available for breakfast cooking, high-speed Wi-Fi, a peaceful study area along with library. 24/7 open PG facility with caretaker, medical assistant available, canteen facility along with terrace access for relaxing time. 24/7 CCTV security in nearby gyms, market, cafes, Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit भी available है. उसके साथ साथ transportation भी available है. Safe, comfortable, sorted. Your new home is ready.